Hey fam, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kuthea and today I'm basically going to show you guys how you can use avocado and incorporate it into your self-care routine. So I'm aiming for that person who's moved out, or maybe he's going to move out and doesn't have money to, let's say, start self-care routine in spas, you know, those expensive self-care routines. So my aim is not to tell you guys to go to the market, buy avocados and just come and use the whole avocados into self-care. I'm going to show you how you can use a quarter of it, like not all of it, just a bit of it. At the same time, make sure your body is really enjoying that self-care day. So without wasting much time, let's get straight into the video. So guys, you can literally see the simplest of things that I have here. I just have an avocado. We are going to use lemons at some point. We are going to use honey at some point. We are going to, these are just spoons we're going to use. I have sugar, some sugar. Then I have coconut oil. Coconut oil is not really a must. It's literally like adding an essential oil to it. So I'll show you guys how to use just these things to be able to do those different things. It's not a must for you to use all of them. I'll show you the procedures which you can omit the essential oils, procedures whereby you can omit the lemons, procedures where you can omit even the avocado, to a point whereby you can also just use the avocado by itself. So yeah, let's get started. So basically I'm just going to cut an avocado. So guys, the first way I'm going to show you is how to use it as a moisturizer. So maybe you have dry skin, wherever it is, you can just use a quarter of an avocado. Then I'm saying it's going to be at the comfort of our house because the fact that we are moving out, or we are moved out, and the fact that we literally don't have a lot of cash to start off, probably don't have a blender. So literally you don't need a blender to do all this. You can just remove it like this. Then you're just going to literally just beat it. Okay, see, just doing it with a spoon, just doing it with a spoon, just doing it. You can say wash your face with warm water to open up your pores. Then when you wash it with warm water and dry it with a towel, now you can apply the avocado. Then after you apply the avocado, let it maybe sit for as long as you may wish, because basically with time I can say that it doesn't really matter how many times, what's the time. So yeah, you can let it sit for as long as you want, and then afterwards you may change your face. And yeah, there is your moisturizer, as simple as that. So yeah, let's go to the next one. So guys, because the moisturizer literally we didn't use anything on the avocado, so we'll use this same one to maybe show you guys how to now do the facial scrub with it. So basically it's just an easy thing. So I'm going to cut my lemon into a half. There you go. Let's just remove some seeds. Sorry for that. Then you just squeeze some lemon inside. Hope you've seen it. Squeeze some lemon inside. Some lemon. So if at all your skin is reactive to lemon, or if at all you literally have maybe lemon is basically acidic, so if at all your face really has an allergy towards it, you might skip the point of using the lemon. It's not really a must, because the lemon actually helps remove the acne from your skin. It helps brighten your skin. So that's basically what lemon does, but it doesn't really, you don't really have to use it. You can, I think I'll write on my video basically what you can replace with lemon, just in case you're really allergic to lemon. So we just mix it like that. Then you have our honey here. We're going to take a tablespoon of honey in our case. So this is literally a tablespoon of honey. So there you go. Now honey here, it also assists in the process of moisturization. It helps in moisturizing your skin as well. So that's the importance of honey. But if at all you can't be able to afford it, The fact that only an avocado, I showed you guys the avocado alone because I knew it can moisturize your skin regardless of not having all these contents. So you can just use the avocado itself. If you maybe have some honey in your house, you can add. If at all you have lemon and you're not allergic, you can add it. So basically, I won't apply it right now. I'm going to, as I said before, I'm going to just leave it for myself and then apply it later on when I'm done with this video. But so what you can do is just wash your face, ensure it's dry, and then apply it. Leave it for around 15 minutes. But I actually always say leave it for as long as you want. And then afterwards, you can just rinse it. Yeah, just rinse. But basically, don't use soap. Just rinse when you apply all these things. So yeah, that's our facial scrub. As simple as that. I hope I said this was a facial mask instead of a facial scrub, because it's a facial mask. So sorry if I actually mentioned a facial scrub instead. So we're done with that. How to use an avocado as a skin scrub. So there's a difference between a mask and a scrub, because a scrub literally basically helps exfoliation of skin. Exfoliation means removing of dead skin. So the mask inawezafanya moisturizing, it can brighten your skin, but for a scrub it now literally removes the dark spots on your face, or rather the dead skins. Let me just say the dead skins on your face. So with this one, let's take this. So basically let's just use this. We're going to just remove the avocado. I like doing avocado like this. I don't know why. Maybe because I'm used to. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to put a teaspoon of honey. So the other time we used a tablespoon of honey, basically because we just used honey, but this time because it's a scrub, I need to use a teaspoon of honey, so that I'm going to use sugar, because I want to put sugar also. And again, if you don't have honey in this step, you might as well just use sugar. You don't have to use honey, because I really want to be cheap for someone who's not well off, or who's starting out and is just living by themselves and doesn't have enough cash. So for the honey, it depends with you. So for me, maybe let's say I'll maybe put it until I feel because it needs that roughness, that roughness, that's what's going to. So those are 4 spoons, right? So I'm going to mix it with this same, rather. Let me just use this one in this case. Yeah, just use this one in this case. So I'm going to just try to mix it up. So I'll just have a feel of it. I feel like the sugar is not so. It was full, so let's just add a bit. You know why the sugar must be enough? Because literally, sugar will help remove all those dead skins from your skin. So I always like mine when it's very rough, but you don't have to also follow mine, because at all it's really hurting your face, and you don't have to press your face. So what you can do, you make sure your face is clean, you wash it with warm water or soap probably, then make sure it's dry, then you apply it, then you scrub, then you can leave it as long as 15 minutes, 1 hour, just name it. It's just according to you. And this is basically a skin scrub. It doesn't have to be on your face, anywhere that is maybe has dead skin or stuff. Anywhere that seems like poor sana, and you can just apply it there. So yeah, basically this is what I'm talking about. You can blend it more. Let me just leave it at that, because I don't actually want the video to be so long. So yeah, this is our skin scrub. Now, doing it as a deep conditioner, or rather using avocado as a deep conditioner, is literally my favorite, because I've literally done this a lot of times. So I can just take a quarter of an avocado. You might as well take a half of an avocado if at all your hair is too long or stuff like that, because it's about your hair. Maybe this time you might invest a larger amount of it. So basically you're just going to cut up the avocado like the rest. You're going to cut it up. So you're going to add 2 tablespoons of honey. So this one goes a long way. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of the coconut oil. This is it. So you can use it to probably as a deep conditioning treatment, that is. So wash your hair with shampoo, then after you dried it, you apply it on your hair from your roots to your tips, and then let it sit for as long as even an hour. I usually let it sit for as long as I do want. And afterwards you can rinse your hair, or another I think with this you need to shampoo your hair again. So basically, actually I won't tell you to shampoo it. Maybe you can just start by it, apply it on your hair, then after, when it's dirty, then afterwards you can use your shampoo, then afterwards now you can use your conditioner, then yeah, you're done. So you can literally make your own treatment in the house. So yeah, you can add eggs, mayonnaise, as I've said, but it just depends with you. But this is the simplest now. So a quarter of an avocado, honey, and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. So yeah, the last one is literally to show you how you can use it to eliminate eye wrinkles around your eyes, or rather wrinkle treatment for your eyes. So mostly use this part, this ukimaliza avocado, this remaining stuff over here, never throw avocado when it's like this. Like ukimaliza tu hivi, the thing that remains, just try to scoop it, as I'm trying to do. Because this actually has really nice vitamins that can actually help with your eye wrinkle treatment. So literally, this one you can apply it around the rims, orbital rims of your eyes. Orbital rims of your eyes. So literally just wash your face when you're going probably going to nap or something. Then you literally can apply this on your face. Then you can just squeeze it up. Just mix it up. And then now you can literally scoop it and then apply on the rims of the eyes. If you at all you have wrinkles in your eyes, then when you do that, you can just take a piece of cotton, or even what do I say, like a wet cloth. Then you can just pour some water, and then when it's wet like this, now you can put it around your eyes. So you can lay down for a bit, like 10 to 15 minutes. You lay down. Then after that, the wrinkles will probably improve. So do it as often as your wrinkles are, and you'll literally get maximum results. So yeah, I'm literally through this video. The last thing I'm going to show you guys is how to preserve this avocado. Maybe you're remaining with one avocado, how to preserve it overnight and make sure that without a fridge, how you'll get it the next day, being as it is. So basically all you can do is just smear some lemon. So when you smear some lemon on it, you literally help prevent the oxidation or something. Like, you know what makes the avocado get black? So you literally try to prevent that from happening. So yeah, something of the sort. Just smear a lot of lemon, yeah, and you're done. So thank you so much guys for watching. So here we have a facial scrub. Here we have here we have a facial mask. Sorry about that. Here we have a facial scrub. Here we have a face hair treatment, and here we have our anti-eye wrinkle treatment. Just using all these few things. So thank you so much guys for watching my video. I hope these tips are really helpful. Kindly subscribe, like, share, comment down below. Click that notification bell to get a notification when I'm going to upload that new video. So guys, till next time, bye.